someone's still typing his question. In the meantime, I was wondering, why aren't like non-Jews obligated to have children if the mitzvah of be fruitful and multiply was given to Adam HaRishon?
Mm-hmm. So why do they have obligated to have children? The 7 laws of Noah was actually to what were it like given to uphold the healthy society, right, and continuation of human race. And the only way to continue the continuation of a human race is to have children, right? And that's why Hashem instilled this desire in the male and female to be together and have to be together. As a byproduct is going to be they're going to be children. Otherwise, nobody would have children. If the Hashem would not put this desire into people, nobody would have children. Well, who needs the children? Who needs the headache? You understand? So whoever going to get married? Nobody. So that's there. To continue the healthy society, you need to have children. And we actually learned like just recently in our class Hachinuch. That means Sefer Hachinuch, the count of 613 mitzvahs. So that's why a Noahide, right, and a non-Jew who transgresses one of the 7 commandments is getting death penalty. Why? Because these things like a minimum requirement to have a healthy society. So if he's whatever he does, like out of when he or she breaks one of the 7 laws, that's too much. That's too much. So that's why they deserve death penalty, and they do not need even the warnings before, like the warning. It's not proper to do that. It's not proper to have like sexual relations with close relatives. So, I mean, it's obvious. So all of these laws are actually obvious, and they do not need a warning like a Jew does, right? For a Jew, so it's not so obvious. Like it's not the many laws of that pertain to Jews and not so logical, right? Because it's most of them decree of the king. Hashem said so. Like Shabbos, what is the problem? Like what is a crime that they do if I wrote something on Shabbos? Like, is it a crime? Like, it's not logical to think that a person can get a death penalty if he writes 2 letters on Shabbos. Like, it's not logical. You understand? Or eat chometz on Pesach. So what is the problem? I ate my matzah. The Seder was yesterday. I ate my matzah. Today I want to eat cookie. What is the problem? It's not logical. So like before Pesach started, I ate all of the cookies and no problem. I said make the correct blessing before, after. There was no problem. Today there is a problem. Today I deserve the chorus that my soul is being cut off from this world and world to come. So it's not logical. So that's why we have to warn the Jew and explain to them, and he has to acknowledge that he understands what he's doing and it's actually intentional, meaning that he's going to go against the king. So that's why we need these 2 witnesses to warn a Jew, but non-Jew to not to kill. It's obvious not to kill. Yeah. What else?
Thank you, Rabbi.
You're welcome.